Hello, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before, where makeup is a passion and so is fashion. Today is the second part of my birthday haul, and I'm going to start off with this necklace that I got from, I think the name of the company is Akira, and this is a choker. Isn't it so cute? This is what it looks like. That is so pretty. And it's a real small choker. So as you see, it's really small. It's a choker, so it's not meant to be long. Alright, the second necklace I got was not from Akira, but it's from a different company, and it is the Barbie. So I got in on some of the fashion part of the craze of some of the Barbie. Let's see if we can do this. As you can see, that's the Barbie symbol there with the stiletto. And then I picked up these here earrings, parakeet. Isn't it so cute? Alright, while we're going to be on the subject of Akira, let me start off with some of their shoes over here. And this is the high heels. Isn't these beautiful? Maybe I can show it to you better. I'm just loving these shoes. Now these did come with some problems, so I was able to get 20% back on them because they said that their quality control personnel checks out every piece of these shoes or whatever they ship. That's a lie because these came with some flaws. Like I said, I got 20% back. And this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can turn some light on for this. There we go. This is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? Wait till you see the heel. Boom. It's awesome. Isn't that nice? That is so pretty. And I also picked up these here from Akira too. These are brand new. All the shoes are brand new. These are a dupe for Dior. As you see though, it doesn't have anything written on them. Also, now these were birthday gifts to me. These here also. Look at that. Isn't it nice? They're so pretty. I'm really liking them. Now, while we're on the subject of the Dior, here's this here, and this is authentic. This here I got from Japan, and it is the VIP gift to Dior VIP people who buy a lot from them, and they're invited to parties, and they give them out gifts. So this is one of the gifts that was given to them. Like I said, I got this from Japan. And I just fell in love with it. And I knew that I had to have this for my birthday gift. I just knew I had to have this. Isn't that so pretty? And it's a tote bag. There's no pockets in the inside. This is very plain in the inside. As you can see. Okay, what else? Also, I got this t-shirt as a birthday gift. Let me see if I can unfold it. Alright, this is what looks like thus far. A black tee with lips on it. Zipper lips, should I say. Isn't it just so pretty? Okay, what else? What else? What else? Oh, and I received this coat, faux fur coat from my mom for my birthday. And some cash. My little brother gave me some cash also for my birthday. Cash is the thing. It's Granny's king. Right, so I got these here from Sephora, and my birthday gift from Sephora was the Patrick Ta, and I am a Rouge. So this is what I picked out from him. I also got this Natasha Denona. Alright, let's see if I can get this open with one hand. And this is what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch this because it's been all over the internet. So the swatches have been seen at least 1,000 times. And this is what it looks like. And this is the latest one that came out. That one is also one of the latest ones that came out. These are the two latest ones that came out. And I fell in love with this one because it's just not black and white or gray. It's got some pop of colors in there. Now I'm going to swatch this one. That feels hard. Look at that color payoff. Isn't it pretty? It is so pretty. Okay, moving on. And so also, I've gotten into the rage of the Nintendo. I think it's the OLED, the latest one that they put out. And so my son bought me some gifts, some video game gifts like the ones that I already got before. So I got some more. I'm not complaining because I picked out the ones that I wanted, and I wanted these. And this one is the Rico London. What did it say? Quake. One of the latest one that just came out, Super Mario Brothers Wonder. Mario 3D World plus Browser Fury. Captain Toad Treasure. And Martian Panic. And this did not come with a gun. I went on the site myself to see how come it did not come with the gun. And it was supposed to come with the gun and it didn't. It did not say that it was sold out. A lot of people have been complaining about it that it did not come with the gun. So I'm gonna have to take it down myself and probably trade it out or something, or just get a whole new different game. Because this is ridiculous that it didn't come with the gun. And it's supposed to be a pack. And that's what we signed up. That's what I had him to get for me was the bundle. Alright, so that seems to be it. So depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. God bless. Bye.